all home cooked meals today kasi I have a problem. Kain! Ang sarap nga ko yun! Paano ko na-acquire yung property? Ano yung process? To be honest, for midnight snack, I'm having malalang pag-organize ng pera. Hello guys! Welcome back to our channel. So for this vlog, we're doing the good old condo living alone style of vlog. Alam ko gusto nyo yan. And I'm going to challenge myself to eat all home-cooked meals today kasi I have a problem. Just ko puro ako order out lately. Tatamad na ako magluto. I love ordering out, don't get me wrong, but it's not good for my health and for my wallet. Let's be real. And since I just bought a house, tayo ay magtitipid! So yeah, let's start with brunch. Okay, so I'm cooking something that reminds me of my home province at lagi niluluto ng mama ko, isda, daing, and okra, and of course, silog. Kain! Oh my gosh! Ang sarap. Meron akong honeydew din dito. And I'm brewing coffee. Let's eat! Guys, this meal really reminds me of my home. At talagang very authentic home siya. Oh, sunog pa yung itlog. Which is what happens when nagmamadali na kami sa morning. And yeah, let's eat in the bago. Masarap to pag nakakamay. Kaya lang I will meet my friend later. And ayoko mangamoy yung kamay ko. Kasi sobrang kapit na kapit yung bagoong. Cheers! Tuwing na may miss ko yung parents ko, ganyan. Kakain ako ng mga pinapakain nila sa akin before. Yun talaga yung style ko. And speaking of home, guys, oh my gosh, nakabili na ako ng family home namin. And thank you sa mga nag-congratulate sa akin. Napaka-sweet ninyo. Actually, dami na tatanong sa inyo, paano ko na-acquire yung property, ano yung process. To be honest, sobrang lucky ako kasi yung brother ko, siya yung nag-asikaso ng mga paperwork, negotiation, everything, pati pagkausap sa realtor. So I'm very thankful about that. And the only thing I have to do, which is the hardest part, is to come up with the money na pang down payment namin. And honestly, I get questions like how I was able to do that. It's halong hard work, delulu, malalang delulu talaga, faith, and malalang pag-organize ng pera, sis. So, I will give you guys tips on how to organize your money. So, whenever I get paid, I always save a certain percentage. And I will share with you yung app kung saan ko siya sinave lahat. Yung pang down payment ko. Sobrang, it came in clutch talaga. And that is Maya. Hindi niyo alam, guys, they have this time deposit feature right there. Sobrang naging helpful niya. So, for the longest time, dito ako naglalagay ng mga iniipon ko na ayoko talaga makita ever dahil tago siya. So, this is your wallet. Ayan. Pagpasok mo ng Maya, yan yung lalabas sa'yo yung ginagastos mo. Pero meron silang medyo tago. Ayan. Meron silang personal savings na feature. And, maganda to guys, if medyo conservative kayo, gusto nyo may access kayo palagi sa pera ninyo, you can set up personal goals. Maganda yung personal goals, pero talagang if nagsisave kayo for bigger property and you want to build that discipline sa sarili mo na hindi mo talaga siya hahawakan for a certain amount of time. Time deposit plus, guys. Perfect na perfect yan and sobrang naging helpful siya for me. Hinuhulog-hulugan ko tong time deposit plus ko na to. Ang nakalagay nga doon, investment kasi parang gusto ko mag-ipon ng pang-investment ko. I don't know what for. Sinasabi ko lang na when, hindi mo kasi alam anong opportunity ibibigay sa'yo ng universe. Pero basically, nag-iipon lang ako na baka meron akong business opportunity o baka meron akong kailangan bilhin ng makakabuti sa akin, pero kailangan pamalakihan siya, like yung bahay, diba? Maganda if meron akong money na nakasantabi for that. And I'm so happy na meron akong time deposit plus sa Maya. Because yung pag-acquire ng property nito, sobrang quick lang niya. We came across it, found it, it's perfect. We talked to the realtor. Ang ganda ng terms. Props to my brother, talagang na-negotiate niya until to the point na kayang-kaya namin yung term. So yes guys, if meron kayong mga goals sa buhay, actually kahit wala, ako diba, wala akong goal nakalagay lang, very vague investment. Gusto niyo talaga maging disiplinado kayo. And you want to have that savings na nakatabi talaga. If you don't know how time deposit works, basically, you set a time limit for it. Lalagay mo lahat dun ng ipon mo. Tapos you can only access it after matapos yung time. So for me, 1 year yung nilagay ko. Hulog lang ako ng hulog doon. And then after 1 year, pwede ko na siyang i-withdraw, which is what happened when I was acquiring the house. And I'm so happy. Everything aligned in my favor. Download your Maya, set up your personal savings or time deposit plus, my favorite. And thank me later. Wow! But let's keep eating. Okay, good evening guys. For our dinner naman, kakatapos ko lang mag-workout actually. Nag-walking ako. It's been so long since last ako nag-workout and I am famished. Famished! Buti na lang guys, napakuluan ko na tong liempo. I'm cooking adobo. I'm so excited. And yung friend ko din, pupunta siya dito kasi yun lang guys, pag living alone, it's so hard to cook 1 serving lang. So I always ask my friend every time nagluluto ako ng mga ulam-ulam. Kaya I order out all the time kasi pang isa lang talaga. But now, since my friend is here and challenge ko talagang kumain ng full home-cooked meals today, let's do adobo. Go! Sarap! Gumagaling na ako magluto ng adobo. Ano, gusto mo ba mataba-taba? Ayan. Harap! Right? I outdid myself.
Galing, parang ka nanood. Ninarinit mo ba?
Hindi, pinakuluan ko na. Pero hindi siya sa lasa eh. Mas maganda pa nga to if nakulo siya mismo sa toyo na. Pero bago ako umalis, pinakuluan ko na. Para malambot agad. Wait, ang sarap nga, Queen!
Kaya pangalawa ko na itong kanin.
Sipag niyo, hirap magluto ng sisig.
Pero yun nga, like, hindi ko siya pwede lutuin dito kasi yung luto niya,
I-grill pa.
yung ano niya pati, karne niya, kalabaw.
Hello! For midnight snack, I'm having honeydew. And I'm thinking I should have like 1 cookie. Good thing, meron na akong cookie dough, guys. Because I noticed I will always make cookies for other people. Tapos kapag ako na yung nag-crave, wala. So I pre-made not a big batch, like 1 batch of cookies. And I've been baking it every time kini-crave ko siya. For my midnight snack, preheat my oven. Guys, ang kalat ng kitchen ko ngayon, if you can see this side, I tried my best to hide it, but I feel like you can see the dishes. The thing about me is, kaya kong linisin ang kondo ko, buong kondo ko, all day. Well, not all day. mga siguro half day. Pero pinakaya ko talagang ginagawa is maghugas ng dishes. Kaya siguro hindi na rin ako pala luto lately because grabe ang hugasin. And I would actually, this is how bad it is, guys. I will hire someone to do the dishes. And she is my savior. I love her so much. And we've been tight actually. We've been very, very tight. And siya yung nagsabi na sobrang, actually, I'm gonna bake her cookies. Sabi niya na gusto na daw ng anak niya. And also, I have been stalking a bunch of people. Not stalking, okay, let's rephrase that. I have been checking some of the messages na nakuha ko at yung mga nagtatag sa akin sa TikTok. And some of them talaga naantig ako. I don't respond well sa mga nangihingi talaga sa akin. Gusto ko yung talagang organic encounter lang. Like someone mentioned na pinapanood daw niya ako when she was getting her chemotherapy. And she said my videos bring her joy when she was waiting sa hospital. And I was like so touched. And nung nabasa ko yun, talaga na-reaffirm for me na, you know what? I may not be the most profound creator you will find here on the platform. But, you know, like, may sense naman. Like, I give you guys entertainment kahit sobrang simple lang yung mga ginagawa natin. And I sent her a care package. And then this one, another care package, I'm gonna give to this girl who mentioned something na she likes my videos, this and that, and it went viral. And I haven't had a chance to thank her because a lot of people in the comments, parang her post sparked a conversation about how they also like me. And I know it sounds so self-serving. Talagang yung mga nagko-compliment sa akin yung mga pinagbibigyan ko. But no, it's more like I'm so grateful. Now, whenever I'm doubting myself or like, what am I doing? Like, filming silly videos. Like, if I'm ever in that position or in that mental headspace, whenever I would read something like that, it reaffirms na parang, entertainment is also important in our world. And that's what I bring you, hopefully. So many thoughts! Kapag hating gabi at magluluto lang ng cookies. Partida, guys, ito lang yung nakita ko, ha? Diba? I can talk your ears off, actually. I can make a podcast of just me talking and talking. Oh my God, guys! Hiyaw ako ng hiyaw dito kasi I'm watching Physical Asia. And hindi ko alam if may eliminate na by Philippines. Sobrang galing talaga ng edit nila. I was just waiting for my cookies to cook. Pero grabe! Oh my gosh. So Justin is throwing the ball and is kind of missing na. It's between Philippines and Korea and they're neck on neck. Ah! They're all good! Sobrang affected! Masunog na. Ay! Yun na yung cookies ko! Wait lang! You got this, Justin. Lord, wag mo! Oh my gosh! 5 seconds! Natalo na! I'm so sad! I wish they stayed longer! Let me actually check on my cookies. Guys, hantok na ako. Nagising pa ako. Ayan sinasabi ko eh. Bakit kasi wala deathmatch, diba? Sana may deathmatch. Sobrang affected yun. Kasi naman! Like, I'm so sad, Mark! You beautiful human being!
피지컬 아시아에서 탈락하게 된 필리핀. 자신의 손으로
Isa pa! Isa pa! Like, Season 2 Physical Asia. I hate this. Anyway.
And we travel this far.
Let's have my cookies! Sarap!
Representing the Philippines.
Oh, Robin, you did so good. Robin's crying. You did so good, girly pops.
As athletes and as individuals, it's been amazing. It's been a great opportunity to. I'm so sad that we're leaving.
Although I'm very sad that this is gonna be our last challenge and we have been eliminated, I'm still very happy to be able to compete, participate alongside my awesome and wonderful teammates.
그랬어.
Thank you, everyone.
Okay guys, that's it for our vlog. I'm going to sleep now. I do feel really, really good na medyo healthy yung kinain natin, or at least home cooked siya. Better siya for me, for my wallet, and for my health. I'm so happy. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for Maya. Guys, it's our first sponsorship here on YouTube, so very, very grateful for Maya for sponsoring this video. Thank you, and thank you for helping me save. That's it, guys. I'll see you on our next vlog. Bye!